Ever wish there was one resource that could solve all of your WordPress problems? Well, now there is. Introducing the all-new ThemeKraft solutions. Stop wasting time browsing through numerous pages that don't give straightforward answers and use our ultimate one-of-a-kind solution tool. Install all resources relevant for you and keep them updated. The solution takes care of the installation process, setup, and maintenance. So we've got you. We'll connect you directly to our support team to save your back, and you'll get access to real people directly from your WordPress backend. ThemeKraft Solutions is the all-in-one, tested, proven, and supported solution for your business. We carefully handpicked and tested all dependencies like themes, templates, Gutenberg, plugins, and so on. But first, why solutions for WordPress? Let me explain. WordPress has become quite complex over time, and the purpose of ThemeKraft Solutions is to make it easy again. Originally, WordPress started with plugins for the functionality and themes for the design. What happened is that agencies used, or should I say misused, themes to sell functionality and bind you to their ecosystem by offering themes as a solution. This practice was not liked by the WordPress community, and it is certainly not the best practice for many reasons. It worked for a while, until today. Things are changing. Nowadays, WordPress is not only plugins and themes anymore. We now have API and Gutenberg, along with full site editing and Gutenberg blocks and templates. WordPress has become something completely new. The programming has changed from a PHP structure to a JSON-driven system with dynamic interfaces. But what does this all mean for you? WordPress became your Photoshop of websites. You do not leave WordPress to design your theme anymore. It's all done within an editor. You can export a template you created in full site editing as a new theme. So today, you need to know about the right theme, plugin, Gutenberg and Gutenberg blocks and templates, page builders, API-driven content, and so much more. So the question we were asking ourselves is, how can we make what has become so complex over the years easy again, so that it's accessible for everyone without any in-depth expert WordPress knowledge for people who just want to get the job done? And the answer is ThemeKraft Solutions. It'll manage all the dependencies you need and set all of them up with you in a question-based installation wizard. With all these changes in WordPress, we have a new world in front of us, so let's make use of it. Gutenberg offers blocks, patterns, and templates, and with the right questions, we can get your needs on the table and rockstar your website, regardless of what theme or plugins you use. Just select your solution. Our new saying is, as long as it's full site editing, we provide you with the templates and everything else you need to make your vision come to life. With the solution installer, we install the plugins, themes, Gutenberg, and all other necessities for you, while you can focus on your business and not have to worry about any new WordPress updates. We have built this solution so that you can truly thrive. Our support team will manage your solution so that it always works as expected. We'll monitor all the dependencies and test the solution for you so that it can be the core and base foundation of your business. You can trust us with over 10 years of experience building WordPress solutions and have the reassurance that your solution will only bring you success. Visit our website today and unlock your business's true potential with ThemeKraft Solutions.